YouTube. I'm gonna make a bike check on my Eastern Shovelhead. I pretty much like it. Had a couple problems, like the Medusa light sprocket broke on me. I was just pedaling. But otherwise it's pretty good. Sprocket sucks. I have ODI long necks, stock lever, animal straight cable, nitrous stem. I had stock Eastern bars that came with it. I pretty much like them, but I'm gonna get stolen cell bars with that. I have a Serpent fork and rim. You may or may not have heard of them, but I got it for free and my other one broke. So yeah, I have Haro tires. I'm not sure what ones. And Eastern Shovelhead frame. Took off the sticker. I have animal strip seat, nitrous seat post, Eastern pedals, Eastern cranks. I have stock back wheel. It has no sound right now because I just got it fixed. If you hear, it has no sound. Wait a second. No sound whatsoever. That pisses me off. KMC chain, Eastern pedals. I think I already said that. Kenda tire. I like it. Eastern, or I don't know what the back rim is. I know it's double wall. And yeah, that's my bike check.